Hello, in this video we will identify a double top chart pattern. The double top chart pattern is a trend reversal pattern, and as the name suggests, it is formed by two peaks. The inspection of Australian dollar and Canadian dollar daily chart reveals the presence of two peaks in the upper right hand corner of the chart. Here the left peak and the next right peak is next to it. We can mark them by going to insert, shapes, ellipse. Here's the left peak, and once again shapes, ellipse. Here's the right peak. And the horizontal line represents the neckline of the chart pattern. As we can see, the price had been rising until it reached the first peak, bounced off of it, reflected from the neckline, tested the height of the first peak, failed to break above it and reversed down. It broke below the neckline and continued falling.